Discover the ultimate in cryptocurrency security with the ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 cold wallet. This isn't just any wallet, it's a fortress. The ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 uses air-gapped technology, meaning it's completely isolated from the internet. With no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, or network connections, your transactions are securely done via QR codes. This ensures that no data can be stolen and the device can't be remotely controlled. Your private keys stay fully isolated, keeping your cryptocurrency safe from any remote or online attacks. And it's not just secure, it's tough. The ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 is the world's first full metal wallet. Its sturdy anti-tamper and anti-disassembly design means it can withstand physical and supply chain attacks. If someone tries to breach it, the system automatically deletes all data, keeping your assets secure. But what about ease of use? With a 4-inch HD IPS touchscreen, setting up an account takes just 2 minutes. You can manage up to 10 accounts and update the device in 3 minutes using the included microSD card. The ELLIPAL mobile app is your all-in-one solution. Buy, swap, grow, and manage over 10,000 coins and tokens. Secure your NFTs and access DeFi applications easily. It's compatible with Android and iOS, so you can access your assets anytime, anywhere. Security is paramount. The Titan 2.0 supports a 24-word seed phrase and a 25th passphrase, 2-factor authentication, a numeric PIN, a gesture PIN, and even has a hidden account function. If a breach is detected, it self-destructs to protect your information. Ready to upgrade your crypto security? Click the link in the description for the Amazon Prime Day discount and secure your ELLIPAL Titan 2.0 today.